All right, so we're still looking at for loops here in challenge 67, but they're starting to get a little more complicated. Let's take a look. In this one, we can see that we have an array of 4 bananas that we need to go get. I can't go from here to here because if I said turn to banana whatever, from here, he would fall in the water. So each time I get a banana, we're going to have to go back to the raft, then out, then back to the raft, then out, then back to the raft, and then out again. So for B in bananas, or for every banana, we're going to turn to the raft. All right, then let's go ahead and step the distance to the raft because we want to get on that raft before we start moving. Step distance to raft. Now we can worry about the bananas. So now we've got to get the correct direction and the correct distance to each banana. So we're going to use those same 2 lines, only with banana instead of raft. So we're going to say turn to B and then step the distance to B. Step distance to B. All right, now let's watch that happen. He goes to the raft. He goes to banana 0, back to the raft, then to banana 1, back to the raft, then to banana 2, back to the raft, and down to banana 3. All right, guys, I hope that helps.